Hi everyone, this is a video on some keto meal ideas. I thought I'd make a video like this because when I first started keto, I was pretty clueless about what I can and should be eating. So I found these kinds of videos very helpful. So I decided to share for 3 days what I had for lunch and dinner, and I hope that it's helpful. Thank you so much for watching. So this is my lunch for today. And over here I have some sauteed vegetables. I cut up 1 garlic clove, 2 mushrooms, and 1 small zucchini. And then I just sauteed everything together in some butter and coconut oil. And I also seasoned it with some salt, black pepper, and all-purpose seasoning. Over here I have some basic scrambled eggs with some salt and black pepper, sauteed in some butter. And I love olives, so I almost always have olives on my plate, half of an avocado, and a tablespoon of sour cream. I love eating my avocado together with a little bit of sour cream. For dinner tonight, I'll have some chicken with peppers and garlic, some rice cauliflower, which I purchased already seasoned with some garlic and parsley, and I just sauteed it in some butter. I also sauteed it in the same pan where I cooked the peppers and garlic of the chicken, so this way I got some of that flavor as well, and from the spices. Over here I have just some cucumber and some olives, and this is the leftover half of the avocado from earlier today. Healthy and delicious. So this is lunch for day 2. It's a chicken salad. I cut up some romaine lettuce, also some pickles, and then on top I have some leftover chicken, which I chopped up and sauteed in some butter with some seasoning. And then to top it all off, I have some homemade salad dressing. I actually have a recipe for that on my channel. I'll post the link in the description box below. Sometimes I also like to add some sesame seeds or pumpkin seeds, but I'm skipping that today. And that's it. Easy lunch for today. This is dinner tonight. Zucchini noodles with a homemade tomato sauce. I made the sauce by melting some butter and adding 1 clove of garlic to it and cooking that for about a minute. Then I added some tomato paste and cooked that for about a minute or 2. And then I added some water and some vegetable seasoning. Mixed it all well, and then I added a little bit of heavy cream as well. And that was it for the sauce. And I topped it over the zucchini noodles, and then on top of that I added some nutritional yeast, Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of black pepper. And the sauce came out really, really delicious, so looking forward to enjoying this for dinner. This is lunch for day 3. I have some sauteed veggie mix here. I actually have a recipe on this on my channel, which I will post in the description box below. I didn't have any feta cheese, so I just used some cream cheese and Parmesan cheese instead, and it's really delicious this way too. And then here I made an egg salad. I cut up some eggs and mixed in some onions and pickles as well. And then I mixed in some sour cream, mayo, mustard, and some seasoning. And I love this, it's super tasty. And then here I just have some olives and some pickles. And that's my lunch for today. This is my dinner for tonight. I was planning on cooking tonight, but we ended up ordering out. So this is a chicken Philly sandwich, but instead of the bread, I asked them to give me a salad on the side. And this is just some chicken thighs sauteed with some onions, peppers, and I think some mushrooms as well, I'm not sure, with a delicious seasoning, and then they top it off with some cheese. And then they gave me a salad with some lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers.